In this tutorial, we will show you how to send data from your bot to any other system using Zapier. In this tutorial, we will send data from your bot to Google Sheets, but the process is the same for any other apps. Let me show you. First, go to Integration in the Settings section and connect Zapier. This will require you to log in to your Zapier account. Once connected, let us go back to our account and create a flow where we will collect some data and send the data to Zapier using Zapier Action. This Zapier action will send users' data to Zapier. Let's publish our flow and proceed to Zapier to create our Zap. Let's search for our app and select Trigger a Zap event. Connect your account to Zapier by inputting your account API token. Select the Zapier action you created in your flow and test the connection. Now, let us select Google Sheet action and send the data received on Zapier to Google Sheet. Let us select the spreadsheet and map all the data correctly. Now our Zap is ready. Let us go back to our account and test our flow. The Zapier action in our flow sent our data to Zapier, and the data was sent to Google Sheet. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.